Welcome to this video, Dave, which is all about how to trade Forex markets and how to construct a trading plan to lead you to Forex trading success. Now, in any business, you normally have a business plan, and many Forex traders, just don't bother. But Forex trading is a business, and you need a plan to succeed, to lead you to success. And here we're just going to look at the basics of a plan, which I think, if you actually learn it and apply it, can lead you to trading success. Now, the first thing to do is to set up a target growth for your business. All businesses have a profit projection, and I think that you need to have a specific objective to work to in Forex trading. So how much should you be looking to earn from your Forex trading business? Well, my own view is that depending on how aggressive you are and how much your risk tolerance is, your target growth is going to vary between 30 and 100% per annum. So that is the sort of aim in profit. Now, many traders will be watching this and thinking, well, that's not very much. I've seen that I can make thousands of percent per annum, 100% per month. That's not the real world. The real world is it's a business. The best traders in the world aren't going to be making 1,000% per annum, and you won't either. But if you've got a target growth of 30 to 100% per annum, that's going to compound up into a lot of money over time. Okay, so I think you need to set down an objective depending on how aggressive you are, and it will vary between 30 and 100%. Next, what you have to do is decide what type of strategy you want to use, and it's going to be, and I've said this before, swing trading or long-term trend following. Day trading is a waste of time. No one makes money day trading in Forex markets. So if you're an aggressive trader and you like the action, you're going to go for swing trading. If you're a patient trader with limited time, you're going to want to be a trend follower. I sort of like a mixture of both, but if you've got a full-time job and you want to trade in 30 minutes a day, then I think trend following is the strategy you should go for. Now you need to have in your plan, what is your competitive advantage? Okay, so the competitive advantage is, what advantage do you have over other traders? How are you going to win when 95% of traders lose? Now, when you're learning a strategy, I've said this before, you can keep it very simple, okay? But you need to know why that strategy works longer term, okay? If you don't know your trading edge, you don't know why your strategy works, you don't have a trading edge at all, okay? So you need to work out what your trading edge is. Now, once you've worked out your trading edge and your strategy, you're going to have rules. My own view is you should write down the rules of your trading strategy that generate the trading signals, and basically do it as a checklist before you enter a trade. Make sure everything lines up and take the trade. When you enter the trade, your trading plan should also contain a stop loss, okay? So you need to write down your stop loss at the same time as you enter your trade, or basically you'll be tempted to run a loss if it goes against you. So take the emotion out of it, have a stop loss in there, have rules for the stop loss so you know where it's placed, and obviously your trading signal is generated, and you're obviously going to hope the trade makes money. Now, in Forex markets, you're going to find your profits and losses are randomly distributed. So even the best chart setup can be ruined by the markets. It's an odds-based game. So you've got to be aware that you are going to have long losing periods. So when you're judging your trading plan, make sure that you've got your objectives set long term. Short term, drawdown, volatility against you doesn't matter as long as you've got a trading edge and you're sticking to your plan. Now, when you're trading, you need to decide what times of day you want to trade in. Now, my own view is, if you're a swing trader, you're going to be trading London Open, US market hours, and specifically the market close is a good time to trade. So you probably have 3 time periods that you can pick to do swing trades. If you're a trend follower and you've got very limited time, I was always recommend going with the market close. That's US market close, or possibly London market open. My favourite is US close, but that's personal preference. What you just need to do is make sure you're consistent in your timing and things will even out. Now, when you lose a trade, a lot of traders say you should look at it and see what you've learned from it. Well, you don't learn anything from losing trades. If you're sticking to your trading rules, you're going to get losses anyway. There's nothing to learn from them, so forget that nonsense. Okay, only if your strategy doesn't have a trading edge would you need to look at your losses, but in that case you need to rewrite your plan. Now, the whole idea of a trading plan is just to keep you on course, okay, and you should be writing down, you know, your progress as you go along, but as I've said, it should be focused on the longer term. And you know, anything short term should be ignored. When you're trading, always when you sit down, make sure that you've got a clear head. You know, you're not distracted by work issues or family issues. If you are, pack up trading until they're over. You know, you don't want anything that will emotionally distract you from your plan. And you know, what you need to do is just basically keep your plan very simple, but it should have specific targets. You know, I've said the target should be 30 to 100% per annum. Also, I've always found this useful in a plan. If you make a lot of money in a short period of time, take it, stop trading, have a break, okay? You very often get a big move in your favor. You make a lot of money, let's say 10% on your trading account, 20%. Pick a level, just take the money in, stop and start again. I've always found that very, very useful. Now, my main objective here, is just really trying to stress that, you know, Forex trading is long term. You need to reach your objective in simple steps. You need to have rules for entry and for exit, and you need to adhere to them longer term, okay? If you do this, then you will make money, okay? If you are the type of person who wants to come in to Forex markets and not trade with a plan, not know what your competitive edge is and so forth, you'll soon join the 95% of losers. So spend some time drawing up a nice simple plan which outlines your target growth, your rules of entry and exit, and basically, you know, read it and let it keep you on track as you trade the Forex markets, and you'll eventually achieve success. So thank you for watching and have a good day. Thank you.